So it's X Crazy Nails, and today I'm here with a swap that I did with Leslie from my Facebook. Now I know she wanted me to open everything on camera, but when I read the note that she gave me, it was wrapped in with all the things, so I did not see the note until I unwrapped everything, and sadly that was the last thing that I unwrapped. And here's all the beautiful paper that she wrapped everything in. It was so nice of her to wrap everything in this very beautiful purplish paper. I do plan to save this and reuse this because it's just so pretty. So I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to open it on camera, but thanks again for all the beautiful wrapping. Okay, so the first thing that she gave me was this confetti type spangles. It comes with different flowers, greens, blues of different shapes. There's also some mini circles in there, so this is really cute. She also sent a package of hearts with different colors. They're also in iridescent, as you can see. I think these are sequins too. They have a little hole at the top. And then she also sent some paper lace, which I've never had any of this stuff. I really am not too sure what you use it for. I guess I can probably put it inside of a nail or something, or maybe decorate my packages with it, but it comes with quite a lot. It comes with silver, and then it also comes with the gold, which is really cute. And then she sent me a pack of nail stickers, and inside it comes with quite a bit. This sheet here, it comes with 3 nail sheet stickers, so they're really cute. Some of them are flowers, different shapes. These are really cute. And then she sent me the smaller ones with some more flowers on here. These have some pearls, and then these have some pink flowers. And then she also sent me some puffy shapes, which I've never had these before. I'm not too sure if you sew them on stuff or they're kind of like sequins, but they're really pretty and really shiny. They're butterflies, so I've never had any of this. And then she sent me some 3D stickers. And then she also sent me this. Now, I'm not too sure how to use this. I thought these were stickers when I saw them in the picture, but they're not. I'm not too sure if you cut them out and tape them, but they're like this. And I think you just cut them out and you tape them or something, but I really don't know how this works. So if you could tell me. And then also the last thing that she sent me, which were super, super cute, were these little mini bottles of rhinestones. These are squares in pink, and then some silver rhinestones. And then she also sent me some blue teardrops, which these are really pretty. And then my favorite are these rectangle gems. So thank you so much, Leslie, for sending me these things. Hopefully you get your items, and thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.